Who's ready for a room tour?
Hey everybody.
Hello, I'm Kim.
And I'm Erin, and we are Candy RVTV. And we are spending a night here in Gatlinburg, and we are staying at the Wander Hotel. And we're gonna give you a room tour and let you know what we think.
Yeah, our friends are in town, so they wanted to get a hotel for the night here in Gatlinburg. This hotel used to be called LeConte Hotel. They just changed it a couple, like 6-7 months ago. So we're staying here. We got a 2-bedroom hotel room with a little balcony. So we're gonna give you a little tour of the hotel, and then we're gonna give you a review and let you know what we think.
Yeah, all right, let's go do it.
Hotel right here off the Parkway in Gatlinburg, right across from the Gatlinburg Convention Center and the Space Needle. This hotel is a perfect location, literally right on the strip, in the heart of everything. Skylift Park is right up here with the suspension bridge that you can go across. But this is the hotel here. It's got some nice rocking chairs out front. This is the check-in right here. They do have a continental breakfast as well.
We'll show you that.
But this is the hotel. It's like a little U shape, goes all the way around. And our room is literally right
there.
here.
There's Michael. Hi, Michael.
It is winter, so this is their cold pool, and they also have a heated pool back over here in that room. So our room being right here, we literally have a view of people watching down the strip, but as you can see, like everybody else's balconies are like in the front of the rooms here. So this is the 2-bedroom suite. This is the main like room. It has 2 queen beds in it, and then this is the door you come through. They have this little couch seating area with like a little table. There's a little balcony out there. I'll show you. They have a little chair here. This is the bathroom in here. TV over here with like a little coffee station. Microwave, fridge.
Oops.
A little fridge in there. They give you Great Smoky Mountain coffee with a few like packages of like powdered creamer and stuff with this little tiny coffee pot. We love this beautiful, I don't know if it's like wallpaper on the wall right here of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park sign. That's really nice addition while we're here in Gatlinburg.
By the way, that's my car.
Oh, that's your car?
Yeah, they like caught the picture when I was
Perfect picture. Crazy. You know, the floor could use a definite vacuuming.
Yeah, we got a little something there, little things around. So not the cleanest room.
We do housekeeping in our other jobs, so we know
what it should be, and it's a little subpar so far. There's like this little like corner with a couple hangers if you wanted to hang up anything. Not really like a closet, but a coat rack corner.
with a full-length mirror.
Yeah.
Right here by the bathroom.
It's actually a pretty decent size, and if you, here, I'll bring you on in here. Hi everybody. There's actually some shower gel shampoo right inside the shower, which is nice. Looks like a good size shower head too. Big old bathtub. The bathtub actually looks pretty clean, which I'm happy about. We have some towels over here. Your vanity with some more towels. Hi! And we have a nice little hair dryer on the wall.
With some more
body lotion and body wash. So yeah. But the bathroom is a good size.
in the boys' room.
There is a little storage.
You can put your suitcase.
Yeah,
in here.
suitcase up there.
Extra blanket.
Little extra blanket down below. So I mean, this is definitely a big old room. And even this couch over here, for a not tall person, could definitely, I would fit there.
sleep there if you need to.
Yeah, and I do enjoy the little balcony. We can see right outside the parkway, which is nice. Oh my god, bitch, put your clothes on. I'm naked. This is the other side to the suite. Mikey's hiding over there. But we have another queen bed. And I really love the headboard. It's so cute. Gatlinburg.
They have their own TV.
Yeah, and they 2 bedside tables on either side of the bed. TV over here.
Another mirror.
Full length mirror. Hey.
There's 2 different entryways. So.
Yes, they have their own door, and then Kim and I are going to be in the other room.
And then there's also
our own door.
This door closes.
Yeah.
So you can be totally private, have your own private entrance.
Yeah.
There's just no bathroom in here.
Yeah, you are going to be sharing the restroom, but there's a lot of space too on the other side of this room. So if you did have air mattresses, you were staying with kids or something, this could definitely fit a good amount of people. And to be right on the parkway is really nice. Fits, there's 3 chairs out here on the balcony. It's not the cleanest, but you do have a little outside area, so it's nice if you want to get some fresh air. A little view of the parkway and the closed pool for the winter.
But if it wasn't winter, this would be a good spot.
Yeah, you could hang out on the pool and people watch, which would be really nice. But it doesn't seem like there's a whole lot of cars at the hotel, so I don't feel like there's a lot of people staying here. It is January, so it's the slowest time in the Smokies.
From over here, you get a nice view of the Smoky Mountains. You ready to go swimming?
Check out the pool.
Ready to go swimming in? It's a little steamy in here, but this is the heated pool. And it looks like there's a hot tub over here. Unfortunately, the hot tub is not working and it looks pretty yucky in there. And I can see a big giant hairball floating in the pool right there.
So maybe we won't be going swimming?
No swimming?
But it is an option for you.
They do have towels here and like a couple chairs for seating over here.
Good morning from Gatlinburg. We came down to check out the breakfast that's included with the Wander Hotel. And this is what they have.
What do they got, Aaron? Gonna start over here?
I got excited because there's chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk?
Cooler. But there's also some yogurt. Looks like butter's up there. We have some bagels and toast. A couple little mini muffins. And then under here, there's some scrambled eggs and sausage links.
Okay.
And then in here we have some cute little pancakes.
Alright.
I wasn't sure what this was at first, but then I realized there's biscuits here.
Okay.
And then this looks like a sausage
Sausage gravy in there.
It smells pretty good. And then you have your little grease station over here, as well as some oatmeal packets. We got some
Oatmeal, hot chocolate.
hot chocolate. Looks like coffee, some orange and apple juice. We got some oranges up there as well. So
Nice, so for a little
not a bad
continental,
spread, you know.
continental breakfast. I mean, to have hot food, it's
Exactly.
a plus for free.
All right, Kim is trying a biscuit with the, it looks like sausage, right? Sausage gravy?
Some coffee.
And some coffee. I already chugged chocolate milk. It was fantastic.
Nothing special,
No,
but it's free food.
there you go.
Aaron, how'd you feel about our stay here?
I think the location is great. Like right on the parkway, like we were able to walk pretty much everything we want, which is really nice. Having the little balcony, seeing the strip is awesome too. I feel like the room could have been a little more cleaned up for us, as well as like some of the other areas. There's a little more attention to detail. It would be nice, but definitely for the location, I think it's really good. And the price too, I think it was $140 for the night for this double,
And that was like
double
with,
room.
with everything, tax,
Yeah.
insurance, and everything like that.
Yeah, so-
It is January though, so it's a slower time. So the prices fluctuate depending on the time of year here. But for me, The beds are pretty comfortable.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. The bed was actually really comfortable. I definitely slept well. So.
And we had to have 3 queen beds. It's nice. For adults, like those little tiny double beds sharing, no. So at least me and Erin, we got our own beds.
Yeah.
The boys shared, but also my plus was the water pressure in the shower.
It's serious. Like that was nice. Yeah, actually the bathroom was pretty clean too, which was, it was like the cleanest part of the whole room, which was nice. You know, you didn't feel gross when you were taking a shower, and the water pressure was fantastic. We do live in an RV full time, so it was nice to have some indoor serious plumbing, so that was definitely a plus. And again, the balcony was a nice touch. This room itself is a great location at the hotel. As we were showing you outside earlier, you know, we have like probably the best view of the parkway from this
room,
particular room.
Yeah. But yeah, and the pool is right out front as well in our balcony. So we also got to do a little people watching last night. So overall, I give it like 7.5 out of 10 maybe.
Yeah, it's definitely not bad. Just not, you know, could be better. But again, for what we paid and the location, and we slept well, and we had plenty of room. You could fit even more people than you know, 4 in this room for sure. And then having the separate room too, so if you do have kids or you do want some separate space, you have that available in this style room too. Another plus is the continental breakfast, but actually had a couple of the hot items. You know, having like the biscuits and gravy weren't the best biscuits and gravy, but a little, you know, hot item to start your day that's included in your price is nice.
Especially if you have a big family and you could feed a lot of people and save a lot of money that way. I mean, there's definitely a lot of good breakfast places here in Gatlinburg that I would recommend, but if you don't want to spend that extra money,
that's awesome.
The breakfast here was a plus.
And I filled up on chocolate milk, which makes me happy.
I definitely think the pool area could be way better than what it was. To have that nice room with the heated pool, but it was just a little rundown. Yeah, I feel like they just need a little more love around here. Could make all the difference, but there's potential in this place for sure. So we'll see how they progress moving forward. But I mean, our overall stay, we had everything we needed. So. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you have stayed here before and what you think about it.
Yes, or if you have any recommendations of, you know, maybe a decently priced hotel here in Gatlinburg.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Yes, if you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button. If you are new to our channel or you have not subscribed, please do so, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye y'all.